Hi everybody, Griffin Cooper here at Ablewaytech, and we're excited to announce that we're going to be having a swing trading course this summer on July 20th and 28th over 2 weekends from 12 to 6 p.m. Eastern Time. And for this course we're going to be using EdgeRater to conduct the scanning and backtesting, as it now features Dr. Ken Long's swing systems and critical systems templates. While the EdgeRater tool will be used for signal generation and backtesting strategies during the course, you don't need to own it to participate. You can still learn from the results it provides. If we look at our agenda for Session 1, we're going to dive into all 9 of Dr. Ken Long's swing trading systems, including the rationale behind each rule. And we'll go through examples of how to apply these rules in different market scenarios. We'll also do walkthroughs using the backtest feature and how to conduct and interpret backtest results, including batch testing and Monte Carlo analysis. At the end of both days, Ken Long is going to be attending for questions and clarifications. On Session 2, the following weekend, July 28th, we're going to look at the practical implementation of these strategies. We'll have a discussion on mechanical versus discretionary trading, the continuum of decisions there, and then we'll introduce some ways to apply rules-based discretionary trading using the Kata Challenge layout. We'll also cover money management and how that applies specifically to swing trading using a core position sizing model, as well as looking at portfolio heat and correlations. And we'll put it all together with a walkthrough from trade scanning and EdgeRater to framing and execution of a trade, as well as an example of doing a trade assessment on swing trade results. And once again, Ken will be joining us for people to ask questions or seek clarifications. Enrollment is now open for the course. You can click on the link in the description or go to ablewaytech.com/101 Applied Swing Systems for more information. We hope to see you there.